Ayan mga kapare ko, karating lang natin dito sa community ng saan ba to? Dito sa Glastonbury. At maglakad-lakad tayo, kasama natin si Chloe. Okay? Mahaba ang kanilang ayan.
There's the cattails. Okay,
Ayan, so mga kapare ko, dito tayo ngayon sa Doug Kelly Park. At ang Doug Kelly Park ay dito lang yan sa malapit sa amin. 5 minutes away lang driving. So first time lang namin naglakad-lakad dito. At malaki pala at napakaganda pala ng mga park at saka pond nila dito sa loob ng community nila. At maraming mapagpapasyalan. At yan. So tara, samahan nyo kaming maglakad-lakad ni Chloe.
OMG, it's a duck. Nice duck. But I see a duck in the water.
I know. Yeah, there's a duck.
I think that's what it meant, like keep an eye for those species. I think I just saw 2 ducks.
Ayan, so maglalakad-lakad tayo dito sa Glastonbury na tinatawag. At ito ay parang ano lang ito, mini natural habitat para sa mga ibon lahat. Ayan, so pwede ka rin magja-jogging dito. Ganda, galing. Ayan, mini park ito, malapit lang sa amin pero maganda siya. Ayan, paikot lang to. Meron tayong bridge na makakita dyan at doon tayo. Ayan, mga puro bahay na kasi ito. Yan, residential na yan. So ganito dito, magaganda talaga ang kanilang mga bakuran, lahat yan. Ayan, naka Bermuda. Yan, sinadya talaga yan. Sadya yan. Bakit nilagyan ng pond yan? Para sa gano'n ang ecosystem ng ano, ng mga natural habitat. Yung mga ibon, mga goose at saka duck, mga sari-saring mga ano, dyan sila nagma-migrate minsan. So maganda din sa paligid yan. Okay. Oh, so nasaan na yung bridge?
No, it's not this way. That's the way to the houses.
I know.
It's
Yeah.
literally like the way to the...
So pupunta tayo.
This is gonna be a long walk. Maybe 1 hour walk?
Hindi.
Oh!
What happened?
Sure.
What happened?
Yeah.
What happened?
Mm. I don't know what happened.
Oh, sorry, bro.
Mm.
Ayan, paikot naman kasi ito. So iikot tayo, Chloe. Baka mayroong bridge pa doon, Chloe. Wala nang bridge doon? You see any bridge there? Next time, kaya nga dapat gumaling ka na sa pagbabike mo. Kasi kung gagaling ka na sa pagbabike, dalawa tayo, magbabike tayo dito. Di ba? Di ba tama sila ni? Oh, yan. See? There's a bridge again. Yan. Lakad lang kami dito. Nandun sa kabilang side ang bridge. Oh. Nandun ang ano haploy, oh. Ayun, may swing doon, oh. Mga bata.
Can we go to that park?
Yeah.
Let's see. We can take a closer look if there's any ducks here. I promise I won't drop my glasses into that weird water. I think there's fish in here. I see some.
It's not a fish. It's they are full of they are full of algae. They are full of yan. May mga algae kasi yan. Ayan.
Are there sea urchins here?
Yeah, there's a lot of this one. It's not fish.
Is there sea urchins to eat up the algae? Not just
Yeah, this is an algae. It's a lot of algae. Yeah.
allergy, not algae.
Yeah.
Allergy.
So, ayan mga kapariko eh. Ayan. So, sa Pilipinas, ayan, ito ay marumi ito. Dito ay pond yan. Ayan. Sinasadya yung pond na yan. Ayan. Para sa community nila. Pero, yan talaga ay malinis yan. Although, nandiyan na talagang mga lumot. Yan. Mga lumot nila ay normal lang yan.
Had a mosquito
Magkakalumot
on me,
talaga.
that's why I slapped you. There was like some sort of mosquitoes.
Yeah. Okay. So, community na kasi yan. Yan, oh. Paligid, oh.
There's some allergies.
Hanggang doon yan. So, wala lang, papaligiran lang tayo ng ano kasi. Ayan. So, make a picture. Magpipicture tayo dito, Chloe. Okay, so, ayan. So, pupunta naman tayo sa kabilang side.
Tatay, can we go to the park?
We'll see. Try natin. Puntahan natin.
Let's go.
Okay. Kung anong meron.
Park, it's just
Kung anong meron doon sa,
few steps away.
ano. Okay. Ayan.
Tatay, can we
Oh,
put this?
Ang daming cherry, oh. Throw that one away. Ayan mga kapariko, ang daming cherry, oh. Oh, it's a lot of cherry. It's a sour cherry, Chloe. They call them a sour cherry.
Sour cherry?
Yeah. It's a sour cherry.
Are you sure I'm allowed to vlog that at someone's different
Yeah.
house?
Sour cherry yan. Ayan, napaka-asim yung cherry na yan. Kaya wala kang maaasahan yan. Yan. Oh, there's an apple. It's right here, Chloe.
Tree. Tatay,
It's
look
apple
at-
tree.
Tatay, stop. Go on this side. Tatay,
Wow.
some of the apples are turning
See?
red.
Yeah. It's already ripened.
It's not ripened yet. Do you see?
It's ripe already. It's just red in color. That's why.
Yeah, it's
You can have-
starting.
You can have one. Yeah. Ayun, daming bunga ng apple tree nila. Oh. Hanap tayo ng medyo hinog na.
Have much more
Kasi yan, tinatapon lang dito yan. Hindi naman totally, reko. Dami lamok.
That's why I'm losing.
Okay, so we're gonna take some of the one of the this one, Chloe. Yung dapat hinog na. Okay. Ayan. So, ito nakuha natin. So, crab apple tawag nito. Ayan. Pamaasim man talaga.
Tatay, are you allowed to even eat that?
Yes, of course.
How?
I eat already.
Tatay?
Mm.
Or tatay?
Mm.
Or haven't the comments said that you're supposed to watch that? Wash the apple before eating? Wait, did you just pick that from
It's a fresh. It's a fresh apple. Oh. See, there.
Can we go to the park?
We're gonna bring first the car maybe
Oh, Tatay,
closer
can
to
we-
us.
Tatay, can we just go to the park?
We'll this one first, okay?
Tatay, I can't put my
Throw that one
sunglasses
away.
anywhere.
1 minute. If you got a trash can, you get trash bin, you're gonna.
Throw this away.
Yeah. That's a problem for you. Now you broke it. Now, wala ka ng glasses. Oh. To protect your eye from the sun.
I'm still wearing them.
Yan.
But I only want to take apples from someone's apple tree.
Yeah, there. It's just only free. It's only free. It's not this one. Everybody's allowed. Okay, so ayan, nandito tayo sa
I want
kabilang
to go
side.
to the park.
Ayan, oh.
Can
Yan ang
we
park
go?
nila. Mini park.
Tata, can we go to the park?
We just take a look first.
No.
Oh, we can go here, there, going back. I see it. I see it.
Tata, can we go to the park? I really want to.
Yeah. You see the trash bin there?
So that's where
Yung
we're
trash
going.
bin? Yeah.
So it's
Diyan mo
all of
itapon.
this?
Yeah.
All of this?
Yes, of course. What you gonna do with that? It's already broke.
Trash? Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
So here?
Yes. What's wrong for you?
Tata, can I go?
Yeah, go there.
It's a bit
Careful. We can bring the car here, Chloe, closer to us. What do you think? You can bring it? Careful. Jump. All good. One more.
Oh, milk it.
So, ayan. Ganito ang kanilang mini outdoor playing ground. Maliit lang kasi na community dito. So, sa Glaston. So, nag-walk lang tayo. Diyan, pabilisan nandyan. Ayan, so may swing din sila dito. Pero maraming maraming section ng swing nila. Okay, go ahead.
It's a little bit higher.
Yeah, it's a little bit higher, but you can do it. Yeah. Very good. Tingnan natin kung yung way na to ay pauwi pa. Oh, nandito yung highway. Okay. So, pwede natin kunin yung car ko para lalapit siya. Pwede pala. 57 Avenue. Nandun may malaking playing ground din sila doon. Oh, okay. Kuha na. So, pwede natin kunin yung sasakyan doon. Ayan. At yun. Sige lang. Ito nga pala ay Doug Kelly Park. Doug yan. Doug. Ayan. Nasa Doug Kelly Park tayo. Wow, ang galing ni Chloe Kweng Kweng. You're good eh? Oh, wow. Hala. Hala. Ah. All good. Nice. Keep it up. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah.
Are you trapped?
Hi.
Pause it for
Yeah,
just a second.
it's a slow.
Tatay.
Go for it. You can do it. See? Go. Go.
So it's like this. I just.
Yeah, slide tayo, dali.
Okay, I will.
Go. Yay! Okay. Yeah, last one. Then we will going now. Sige na, akit ka, dali. Akit ka sa other side. Dali. Chloe. Akit. One more. Akit ka ulit. Yeah. Okay. No more. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Wait, there's still something.
That's why I told you. Okay, let's go. Yeah. You get the experience now. Okay, come on. Ayan, so maganda dito magbike. Kaso wala kaming dalang bike at saka wala kaming bike rack. Ganda sana kung may bike rack ha. Ayan, so pabalik na kami. Ikutin lang namin nung daan na to hanggang doon sa tulay. Malalaki mga bahay dito. Ayan. So kung makikita nyo, malaki mga bahay. Ayan. Kita nyo? Bahay. Malalaki mga yard din nila. Okay. See? We got fun for walking. Yeah, nice eh. Ayan.
My back feels like it's burning right now.
What's that?
My back feels like it's burning right
Why?
now.
What happened?
Because of this sun, it's hot.
No more hot, no more
Duh.
sun. No. Ayan. Okay, yeah, maglalakad
It's
tayo,
summer.
pabalik at nasa kabilang side naman na tayo. Madadaanan natin yung tulay kung saan ay maiksing tulay lang yun doon sa lagon. Kasi lagon na to di ano, yan, tubig ko. Sa atin yan eh, sigurado yan. Binahayin na ng mga buhaya yan. Pero dito hindi. Yung lagon na yan ay talagang stagnant water. Although, yeah, syempre, hindi naman talaga dumadalo yan. Stagnant nga yan eh. Pond nga lang yan eh. Pero, yan, puno ng mga, ano yan. Yung mga, oh, go other way, Chloe. Puno yan sa mga ibang mga nagmamigrate na mga, yeah. Yan, mababait mga bata dito. Yan sila ano sila? Skateboard. Yan. Hingi pa ng excuse yung mga yan. Tapos hingi pa ng pasalamat pa yung mga yan. Pag ganun. Mini forest nila to. Pero hindi mo akalain na residential to. Yan, daming apple na naman, Chloe. No? May apple tree, oh. Yeah. It's full of all. Yan, maganda. Maganda ang ano to. Kaya nga maganda talaga simoy ng hangin. Pag lalo na sa summer dito. Sa amin kasi nga more on sila nature. Nature yung mga puti kasi. By nature talaga siya. Hindi sila yung ano yun. Doon tayo galing sa kabila. Yan. Gusto nila malapit sa pond, malapit sa lake, malapit sa lahat. Yung mga bahay na yan ay naghahalaga ng mga 750,000 siguro sa ngayon. Yeah. Okay, nasaan na yung bridge, Chloe?
I don't know. You might be going the wrong way.
No. We should find a right path. Oh, we can go here maybe.
No. Here, this way.
Really? Why?
This way.
There's a lot of mosquito
Go this
there?
way.
Is there a lot of mosquito there? So where is that bridge? I see some bridge there. I saw some bridge. Yan, malalaki mga backyard nila. Grabe mga balcony nila, mga malalaki. Malapit lang yun dito sa amin yan. Mga 3 minutes away lang ito. Yeah, para makapaglakad-lakad din to si Chloe at saka nakakapag-walk din siya. Okay. Ayan, Chloe, here you are. Here we go, the bridge. Here is it. That's why I told you there's a shortcut on that there. Way. Okay. Yeah, may bridge to. Yan. May mini bridge to dito. Kahit ganun yan, kahit pond yan, wala kang makikita mga basura. Andyan, yung mga basura na yan ay yung mga nalaglag lang ng mga ano ng puno. Ganun talaga. Although may lumot, syempre stagnant water nga yan eh. Oh, ayan, ito yung
Have we been walking for?
yeah. Okay, yan. Let's see. Doon tayo, oh. Huh?
Never mind.
Okay. See? It's a good exercise we are now. Are we? Okay, go this way. Ito na yung way na yun, pabalik tayo sa sasakyan natin. Ayan. Okay. So, di ba? Natatapos natin na hindi natin na ano, kung ilang minutes din ito. Oh, di ba? Maganda. Magandang lakaran ito. At least ito dahil nakakapag-exercise pa tayo bago mang winter. Paglakad-lakad pa tayo. Although nakapaglalakad naman ako dun sa warehouse namin. Pero si Chloe the best to. Yan, see? Okay? Yeah. You go walk. Walk. Oh. Madaling umaangal to sa lakad eh. Kaya
How long have we been walking for?
we're almost 20 minutes. Just only 20 minutes.
I thought we were walking for 40.
No. We just, we just stay a little bit there and on park. Yan. So lahat sa mga ayan, to. Yung mga nasa paligid nila, meron silang parang plastic. Ayan ang pag-aanuhan nila pagka may aso sila dito. At nagpupo ang aso. Ay pupulutin mo yung pupo ng aso mo. Then itatapon mo dun sa basurahan. Yan ang discarding Canadian. Oh, di ba? We're here now. Just walk. Tell mommy, ah. Walk tayo, ka? What you like today? You want slushy?
Yeah.
Drinks? Tangerine? You want the tangerine?
Yeah.
Then no missy, eh? Okay. So, ayan. Ganun lang kadali ang ating segment ngayong araw na to. Inikot lang natin ang buong park ng tinatawag lang Doug Kelly Park. Okay? So, ito, kitang-kita yung ayan. Dito tayo. Galing din eh, oh. May balko-balkon din sila diyan, oh. Yan. Pag ikutin mo yan, hanggang doon, oh. Malayo din pala. Di mo in-expect na tagos lang pala din eh. Hanggang dito eh, oh. Oh. Di ba? Nasaan na yung kasabayan natin, Chloe? Nasaan na sila? Tumawid na? Ayan, may duck ko. Ito yung duck.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about earlier.
Yeah. Actually, 215 Street ito. Tinatawag. Glaston. Yan o. Yan sabi ko sa inyo. Yan o. Please clean up after your dog. Pull the bag. Then, itapon nyo yung ano dyan. Yan. So, wala ka talaga makikita ng pupo ng dog dyan. Yan. Yan. Yun yung sasabi ko sa iyo na ano. Oh. Yan o. Gusto nila yan. May mga ibon-ibon. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Magpapaalam na tayo. Ayan mga kaparike, magpapaalam tayo. Yan, maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga tagapagsubaybay, tagapagsuporta. Ayan. So, sa walang sawang sumusuporta sa ating channel. At stay tuned lang kayo lagi sa ating channel. Dahil sa ating mga daily vlog ay may mga iba-ibang ma-segment tayo. Ayan. So para na rin sa lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Kaya huwag niyo kalimutan mag-share, likes, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Kaya ayan, dito lang sa Buhay Canada.